When growing up, we tend to think of the world differently, not knowing about the vast majority of the world and the secrets it holds. Just us and the world around us. No pain, no worries. We don't even think about tomorrow. Recording. Growing up in the 90s, life is a lot more about playing in the park and whatever the fun is or the social gathering is. Watching 90s drama, playing video games, and I mean the OG video games, watching rugby, watching basketball, football, all those stuff. And weirdly watching commercials. Yeah, there's something about the commercials in the 90s that it's just too cool to watch. Or maybe it's just me. Do you know about the world?
I know about the world because the world is fantastic. That's why I am doing some things, like I'm doing that. So I got my colors, so I was waiting for you guys to see my colors. That's why now let's start drawing. See, so what do you want me to draw? Oh, okay, let me draw a star. This is how you draw this different star. Go like this, like that. Now we're gonna connect this here, here, and here.
Now we know the truth about the world itself. It changes the way we see the world. Before it was fun and games, now it's war and crisis. And some of the worldly problem is not even part of us or our society. Well, I'm here in the Philippines, I'm from PNG, but I'm worried about the 70 plus Christian that was murdered in Cameroon. Or as the recording of this video, a new war supposedly have broke out again in Afghanistan.
Well, as of tonight, India says it has targeted 9 sites, quote, hitting terrorist infrastructure. In new video, explosions can be seen and heard in what Pakistan says is 3 areas, saying civilians, including a child, have been killed. We're also getting in this new video of chaotic scenes in a Pakistan hospital. Tensions between the two nuclear armed force powers soared after a deadly militant attack on tourists on Indian-administered Kashmir last month. There has been a long-running dispute over Kashmir between India and Pakistan for decades, and tonight, Lester, Pakistan just said it shot down 2 Indian jets. All of it a major test for President Trump, who tonight said, "It's a shame, I just hope it ends very quickly."
Now this begs the question about the world that we know of. Does the world that we know of depend on the stages of our life? When we were children, it was more about family, the toys, the friends that we have. And then when it goes up to our teenage years, it builds up from friends to society and community, and whatever is trending at that time, the pop culture, the gaming, sport, or whatever is. And now that we grow up, we know more and more about the world and the messages or the news that we receive every day. Like when we grow older, our interest change from fun and games to politics and news, agenda, propaganda. Or is the world was better before and now it's just getting worse? See you on the next one.